0 to Professional English Course. A creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 7, discussion at cloth shop.
A man wants to buy clothes. He goes to a cloth shop and talks as follows.
Hello, mister. How are you?
Hello, mister. I'm fine. Tell me, what may I serve you?
I have come here for shopping and I want to buy some clothes.
What types of clothes do you want to buy?
I want to buy white cloth for kurta and pajama.
For whom do you want to buy these clothes?
I want to buy these clothes for me and my children.
Okay, look at this. It is best for kurta and pajamas.
Yes, it looks fine. How much per meter is for this?
70 rupees per meter.
70 rupees for a meter. It is so expensive. Show me some more clothes.
How about this blue color for kurta?
The blue color will be fine, but I want to buy a cloth of white color.
Okay, we'll do that, but tell me, you want cotton clothes or woolen?
I like both types of clothes. Show me both types of clothes.
Look at this soft woolen cloth. How will it be?
No, I did not like it. Don't you have higher quality of cloth than this?
No, sir. This cloth is soft and of very good quality. These days, people are looking for this a lot.
Well then, when you're saying so confidently, so give me 10 meters of it.
Okay. Anything else, sir?
No, that's it.
No problem.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.